Go ahead.
Okay, so I have something to tell you. I made this for you. It says sorry.
Sorry about what?
I had sex with Harry. I had sex with your boyfriend. I'm sorry, Alyssa. I'm so sorry.
Are you me?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Why would you? You thought this would make our friendship better?
No, I didn't think this would make it better, Alyssa, but I needed to you because you need to get him out of your life. Like, are you kidding me? Why are you with him? If he can go on and cheat with your best friend, why are you with him?
I can't believe you think that. How do you think you doing this would fix my relationship or even end it?
I'm not trying to end your relationship, but you guys aren't in a good place, are you?
Jerry, can you move this for me?
Move the food?
Yeah, please.
Your Majesty.
Sorry, y'all. This is an actual freak out. Why is there cameras? Are you kidding?
What should happen with this?
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with you.
Let me explain.
No, I didn't mean. No.